Come on, show me how you ride the bike.
Turn around and go down the hill. It needs another 6 months before this is gonna work.
Turn around.
Turn around, go down the hill.
She knows how to work it.
Go ahead, we got it. There's no cars coming.
Hey, go ahead. But don't run into your daddy's new car.
Wow!
Woo!
Woo! Wow, you got a nice bike. That's a nice Schwinn bike Nanny and Papi got you. Who bought you that bike? Who bought you that bike? Gabriella, who bought you the bike?
Poppy.
And Nanny. Papi bought her the bike.
Put your feet on the pedals.
She needs a little more time, yeah. Okay. Papi and Nanny are getting off. Come on.
They're going to happy hour.
Going